Just in time for the old berm lingo.
Where is it?
Berm lingo, berm. Oh! Look at that. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! That is low now. Oh! No one! Look at Ali G, quality. It's Jono lit. What a guy! Camera's on. What a choices! Nice. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be super exciting because we've got Mr. Angry again and friend, little mate.
He's well happy now.
What are we here for and what are we doing?
It's the Halloween ride at Rogate Bikepark. There's lots of things happening, even a berm limbo. Will we get your fat kegs under there? Maybe not. I don't mean that, I'm far bigger than him.
There's the schedule of the day. Yeah. Right, first run of the day then on a nice clean bike. You've obviously been track walking on that. What are we riding first?
DMR.
DMR.
Well, that's new. Oh, this is sick. I haven't ridden this since they've done all this work.
I think they've got deep.
I was waiting to get puddled, Dan. Oh my! Oh! Oh! Well, first run of the day. First run of the day down this. Mach 10. It's been good fun. Whoa! Wow, that's really sick actually for first run. They've done some work as well, haven't they? Oh no!
The quad first run.
I know, I saw. E-bikes, a bit too good, aren't they? First one we did was the DMR line. The second line we're doing is the second biggest line here. Well, no, it's actually the biggest line here, and it's called, don't know, but let's go check it out.
We don't get under it now.
Well, 100% it's taken us all out.
Go.
Go.
Oh, not again. Oh, that was tight.
Here we go.
Well, there's loads of different lines now. Oh! That's actually well good, isn't it?
You do that again?
Yeah. There's one
Yeah, mate. Right, come on, come on, come on. Ah, yeah! No, one. Right, eyebrows are on this. Ah!
Never any doubt.
This back brake don't work. All right, I'll lead the train. Mace, do you want to lead? No? No, all right, done. Oh! Right, try the limbo. And then we're going to do the same track again. He did like this line, did he? And there we go. Oh. Look at Ali G, quality. Mario and Ali G and Luigi, brilliant. The blue run.
I'm not going.
Devils.
Hey up, pal. Get it. Come down here.
Yes, Papa. Right, following Joelage. It's John O'Lit. What a guy! I wish you crashed then. Doing the biggie. Got it. Oh, look who's turned up. Look, just in time for the old Berm Lingo.
Where is it?
Berm Lingo, Berm. Oh! Huge, massive. What, mate?
I'll rail it there.
Blatantly gonna. Oh, you're on TV, mate. Want to say anything?
No, not really.
Alright, done. Yeah! I bet. That's me. Berm Limbo then. We got maids, we got all sorts. Yo! Looks good.
Cheers.
Look at that for a turnout. Are you going to make the finals this year then or what?
I'm a big boy.
Got your hands round the book.
Get the glasses
straight
on.
under.
Straight in.
It's just a right rut.
What? Oh, that's actually quite tight.
Out the limit.
Oh my god, that is low now. That's the limit. Oh,
Super, right?
look at that. Last three. This is the final of the Limbo off. Nearly. Well done, mate. Rain is coming. After that little downpour, majority of the crew have left. However, we've got Party John, of course, and we got Chops. So let's see what's in store. Right, John, you going? Go on.
Is that slipping?
Oi, oi. Oh, John's gone. Oh my! Wow! This is shot. Well, it's changed since last time I rode it. Sick! Mate, the amount of rocks. Loves it. Oh, listen to him. Wow, John! Sick! Oh! Quality! Oh, mate, that was sick! That was actually sick because I didn't know where I was going then. Quality! That is well good. E-bit. Cheers, mate. Right, another track. So we went right last time. Let's go left. Oh my lord. Well, that's tech today. I'm not sure that's the line. Oh my god. I haven't been here for so long. Well, that's techie. Little gap across there. Right, big lines here. Oh, quality. Right, bottle rocket then. Out wide. Oh, they've built that up. So fun. Quality. Oh, that's wet and gloopy now. I don't know where we're going. Hurry up then. That's loose. Oh wow, up there. Sick. That's quality, that. Back up for more. Another mystery tour. Following Mace. Well mate, all good? Right. Tunnel vision, no idea. Left, I think. Minging. Huh? Oh my god. Yeah. Flipping, I thought you were crashing then. What are you doing? Go, go. Wow, this. Oh my. That's proper gnarly. Well funny. Brilliant. Yeah, doing all these little tracks you haven't done in so long. That's what makes these bikes so good. The rain's got that one, hasn't it? Oh. Oh my. Whoa, that's sketchy. Well done, mate. You dropped me on that North Shore. I stopped because I was like, I need to see where I'm going.
I was like, I should have vlogged.
Camera's on. What a shame.
Who's going front? Huh? Who's going in front? I don't mind.
Papa John's off by looks of it. Are you going?
Go on.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
There's so many choices. Oh, nice. Mate, that's sick. Into Maney. Oh my, lines everywhere. Oh no, this where's Carnage. Oh no. Oh, quality, that's sick. Amazing. You said you wanted to be in the vlog, so tell the people what we're doing next.
We're doing a train on Bikini.
Doing the last ghost train of the day. Big up, last vibes.
Look at the trainage.
Come on, Deakin. Hey, dude, chill, man.
Mate, go on, Dan. Follow Mario.
Oh, I'm so slow.
I wouldn't worry about that. Go on then, boys! Following the high-vis crew. Oh. We're down to 1 bar of battery to hopefully get me back to the top, and then I think they may be doing prizes for the Limbo or something.
Is that going on YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm watching it.
Look at that. Look at that. Sorted.
Decent.
It's won the Birm Limbo, mate. Oh, a slab of money.
No, you keep it up.
You just bobble around, just bobbing away. It's been so fun. There you go, dude.
Yeah.
No worries. Cool. There we go.
Well, there we go. That tells you a Focus Jam SL will do you a day perfectly at Rogate Downhill, because we're now down to 1 bar, the emergency bar to get you home, and it's been perfect. Top day. Massive thanks to all the Rogate crew, the Melon Optics crew. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be great if you give it a thumbs up. Be sick if you subscribe, and until the next one, make sure you check out some oi merch. Give me a little DM if you fancy any of that, and I'll see you in a bit. Oi.